Hello everyone and welcome. And in this video I'm going to answer the question, how can you set up a pay pin on Binance? Now, based on the information available, setting up a pay pin on Binance is a security measure for Binance Pay transaction. So here's the general outline of the process, primarily referring to Binance support documentation. First, you will need to access your Binance Pay settings within your Binance account. This can be drawn to the More section on the Binance website. So we're going to concentrate on today using the website. Then once you're on the More section on the Binance website, select Pay. Once in the Pay section, you will find the settings. Then within the Pay settings, you find an option that is Set Pay Pin. You'll be prompted, select the option and you'll be prompted to enter a 6-digit PIN code. You then need to confirm the PIN and you then have to complete the security verification. It's as simple as that. Now, security verifications are a crucial part of the process. Binance implements this to protect your account. If you need to change your PIN, your pay pin in the future, there's also an option within the pay settings to do so. It is important to keep your pay pin confidential and secure. For the most accurate and up-to-date instruction, I recommend referring directly to the official Binance support resources.